Students, our next topic is near point. This is the principal axis and this one is the convex lens we used in our eye. This object is placed very near to the eye. We assume this distance is 10 centimeter. But this object, we can't see this object clearly. It means it is seen blurred image. Now place this object beyond this point and we assume this distance is 20 centimeter. Again we can't see this object. Again we can't see this object clearly. It means it is seen blurred image. Okay. Now if we place this object here and beta this distance is 25 centimeter. Now from this point, this is the minimum point where we can see the object clearly. It means where the object is placed at this point, we can see this very clearly without any stress, without any stress on the mind or brain or eyes. And beyond this point, anywhere we can see this object clearly. Okay beta, so this is the minimum distance from the eye where we can see the object clearly. This minimum distance is called least distance. This minimum distance, the minimum distance is called least distance, and this is known as near point of the eye, and this is also known as near point. So what is the near point? Near point is the minimum distance. It is the minimum distance from which we can see any object clearly, without any stress on the nerves, is called near point or least distance. For healthy eye beta, it is 25 centimeter. I think this point is clear. Now one more point beta, if I am saying the near point is 40 centimeter, then what does it mean? It means within eye and object. Now if the object is placed at 40 centimeter, if the object is placed at 40 centimeter, then between the eye and 40 centimeter we can't see any object clearly, and beyond 40 centimeter we can see clearly. So this is the meaning of the least distance. Now one more point. Next one is far point. Far point means this is the maximum distance up to which we can see clearly without any stress. What does it mean? Look at this. This is the minimum distance, 25 centimeter, and within 25 centimeter an eye we can't see. But if we place this object here, if we place this object here, if we place this object here or here or here, better we can see clearly. But there is a maximum distance up to which we can see. There is a maximum distance up to which we can see, and this can vary. So we are not using any specific value. We are using a term infinity. So to infinity we can see clearly, and meaning of the infinity can be varied person to person. What I am saying, if the focal length of the eye lens is 2.3 centimeter, look at this beta. If the focal length of the eye lens is 2.3 centimeter, then if the object is placed at 50 meter from the eye. If the object is placed at 50 meter from the eye and the focal length of the eye lens is 2.3 centimeter, then it is assumed at 50 meter a person placed at 50 meter is assumed to be infinity, because 50 meter means 5000 centimeter is a very very large value as compared to 2.3 centimeter. So this is the meaning of the infinity. So the maximum distance up to which a person can see any object clearly without any stress on the eye is known as far point. And for healthy eye it is infinity. It is assumed infinity. So this is the meaning of far point. Now what is the meaning of, if the person if I am saying far point of a person is 50 centimeter or 80 centimeter, then what is the meaning? It means if the object is placed at 80 centimeter, look at this beta, if the object is placed at 80 centimeter, then within 80 centimeter he can see, but beyond 80 centimeter he is unable to see. This is the meaning of far point. I hope this point is very clear to all of you. We have discussed 2 points, near point and far point. Near point, the minimum distance from which we can see any object clearly, and for healthy eye it is at 25 centimeter, and far point, the maximum distance up to which we can see clearly, and for healthy eye it is equal to infinity. Okay, thank you.